Hello my fellow creators and welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, I thought I had gotten all the packages of goodies that I ordered, but I forgot about this one. Well, as you can see, it's a Gina K Designs order, and this was my free with 60, I think it is. And they always just staple that onto your invoice. So it doesn't show up in your cart, but it's there. So let's see. I almost forgot what I ordered. And I love the way they package their things. Everything is so securely and safe so that you get it all in one piece. I saw somebody, I don't remember who, but I saw somebody using their bubble wrap to do some ink smooshing. And I like that idea, so I'm saving that. I ordered 2 of Gina K's smaller blending brushes. I wanted to test them out before I ordered for all my Gina K inks. Of course, I'll be ordering just for each color family. But I have the bigger size ones. I wanted to see what the size difference was. And so soft. So I have 2 of these. I'll be testing them out. And I got the Peace, Love, Joy cover plate die. It is beautiful. So I'll be making some Christmas cards with those as well as my freebie. And then I got the Joyful Holiday Card Kit. So let's take a look what came in this card kit. It is gorgeous. So we have this beautiful stamp set. It is the Starstruck stamp set. And I love these streams of stars. I have an idea for that card. And then we have this adorable little penguin set. It is the Playful Penguins stamp set. And it comes with these coordinating dies on this wonderful magnetic sheet. I love it. And they're already cut apart. I don't have to cut apart the dies. Perfect. Then we also have this beautiful layering stamp set. It is the Perfect Poinsettia. And again, has coordinating dies. Oh, I am just loving this. And then it came with these sentiment dies as well as this peace die. Let me get it out. So you have the peace and the shadow, which I like when sentiments are like that. That way I can pop them up off the card. And then of course these sentiment strip dies. Wonderful addition to the set. And these beautiful cardstocks. Let's take a look. This is Red Velvet. Looks like 2. Turquoise Sea. Oh, that's gorgeous. Jelly Bean Green. And Blue Denim. Isn't that just gorgeous? And then last but not least, these pre-printed sentiments. This is perfect. And I'm sure you can cut them out with these sentiment strip dies. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. See, they're perfect. And I like that it has not only Christmas but Hanukkah. That way I can make a variety of holiday cards. Well, there's my latest purchase. I think that's the last one coming in this month. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribe to my YouTube channel or followed me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye!